Step 2. Accessing and authenticating to the API. In this step, what we're going to do is we're going to set the HTTP authentication headers to allow us to have access into the IMBOB GraphQL API website. So to do that, we're going to first clear the screen in Katacoda, a little more reading room. So I'm going to go here. And let me go type clear, and now you can see the screen is clear. That's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go out to the instance of IMBOB running under Katacoda. And so I click on the HTTPS URL, and you can see this is bringing me to the GraphQL playground, which is built into GraphQL API running under Apollo. But what I need to do is I need to provide some HTTP headers here so I can authenticate into the API. And to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the authorization token, which in this case is authorization CH and the rest. So I click the little copy icon on Katacoda. I've copied the icon, and I'm going to go back over to GraphQL Playground, and in the HTTP header section down in the lower left, I'm going to paste in the header. And now you should be able to see is now I can see the API documentation, which means that I'm actually in the API and have authenticated. So in the next step, we're going to take it a little further and start working directly with the API.